Hey everyone, can you hear that? That's right, spring waterfalls. I am up here at the Hungarian Falls nature area, one of KLT's preserved properties, Keweenaw Land Trust. And it is a beautiful 40-degree day here in the Keweenaw. I'm honestly feeling a little bit overdressed right now, but we have snowshoed in from the Calumet direction, about a half-mile snowshoe. The snow is soft, but the trails here at the Hungarian Falls area are quite packed, so it's pretty easy snowshoeing. And gosh, it is just so beautiful. It's warm, it's cool, it's all of the best of a Keweenaw spring. And right here in my trusty fanny pack, based on one of our posts about what people love to eat when they're out and about, I have none other than an Amy J's Pasty. I'm gonna eat it down here at the waterfalls and really just have a wonderful afternoon. And folks, if you join me on an adventure like this, make sure you pack out what you pack in and leave no trace.